Hi, I'm Tyler Moore, studying at the University of Newcastle. My project is the design, development and optimisation of an unmanned aircraft system for surf lifesaving applications. So this is what you're seeing here, this bad boy, the Hexacopter. This is my drone that I've designed. The purpose of this is to fly out over the water where someone's probably drowning and then drop this, which is a Mustang survival rescue stick. When this impacts the water, it actually expands into a life vest. So the point is that this can carry 6 devices at one time, which makes it mass rescue capable. This is probably the only one in the world like it that can carry more than 3. So the deployment system works by flicking this switch, which then wirelessly transmits data to the drone, which then goes to an auxiliary microcontroller whose sole purpose is to drive the servo motor, which drops the sticks in a strategic order so that the weight distribution is kept centralised. So we try and drop opposites. Whilst specific in this project, the technology and what's been explored here is really versatile for a wide range of applications. I'm pretty proud of what I've done and change lives potentially. It's up to you. There's no reason you can't do that after your degree here. It's such an awesome experience, I suppose.